This is an emergency announcement from BBC One. We interrupt normal programming to bring you an urgent warning. At approximately 21:42 GMT, reports were received from multiple regions across the United Kingdom concerning a hostile unidentified entity. The entity has been described as tall, motionless, and featureless. It does not respond to sound, light, or verbal contact. Authorities confirm the entity is responsible for multiple fatalities. All victims were found within close proximity of the figure. Citizens are instructed to follow these safety measures immediately. Remain indoors. Lock all doors and windows. Do not approach any unidentified person or figure. Do not attempt to film or photograph the entity. If you see the entity, do not move. Do not speak. Do not acknowledge it. It has been observed that movement attracts its attention. Military units are en route. Until further notice, this broadcast will remain active. This has been a BBC One emergency broadcast. And we will sign off with our national anthem.